Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today's video is going to be all about my keratosis pilaris, my KP, or chicken skin, those random red bumps on your arm, whatever you refer to it as. That is what I'm going to be talking about today. This video was requested from a viewer because I mentioned my KP in passing in a previous video, so I wanted to go ahead and put it together for her and for all of you so I can talk about what I'm doing. Now, I will insert a clip, and please ignore my little poor skinned elbow, but I'll insert a clip in a different top that shows you my arms, because this top obviously isn't conducive to that, and this is what I already was wearing when I decided to film, so wasn't changing. But I'll insert and show you my arms. So I guess that's a good place to start, is to preface with my bumps on my body. So I have pretty aggressive keratosis pilaris on my upper arms right here, and then I'll occasionally have some bumps in here, but it is definitely not as prevalent on that part. I tend to get a few bumps on my thighs. I don't know if that's keratosis pilaris or if that is just related to wearing tight clothing, because I do find that it is definitely more dramatic in the winter and when I happen to be wearing a lot of leggings or tight pants, jeans. So I'm not sure exactly what that is on my legs. And then I also tend to, and this is not cute, it is TMI, I get bumps on my butt. I don't know if those are keratosis pilaris again, or if there's something to do with wearing tight clothing, but I do want to address that because I will bring it back up later. So what I do for my body, I guess a good place to start would be shower care, because cleansing is the first place I think to start. So one product I've been using, I'd say a fairly good amount the past month and a half, 2 months, is from First Aid Beauty. It is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. So like I said, I've only been using this a couple of months, so I can't really give you a fully formed opinion as I would if I had used it for several months. But I do think that using a scrub fairly regularly has made a huge difference on my arms specifically and on my butt. Now, like I said, I don't think it's keratosis pilaris on my butt. I think it's just from tight clothing, but I have noticed that exfoliating my butt, because I've been doing that too every time I do my arms in the shower, has made a big difference with getting the occasional bump on my bum. So I use this every other shower. So I probably shower at least 5 times a week, because Monday through Friday I work out, so I shower after my workout. And then just depending on what I get into Saturday or Sunday, that'll affect whether I shower or not, if I'm sweaty, dirty, whatever. So I use this every other shower. It says on here that you're supposed to use it, I believe, 3 times a week. Use once or twice a week as tolerated. Yeah, so I guess I use it between 2 to 3 times a week, and I feel like it has made a difference. I do not think I can credit that difference to the 10% AHA as is notated on here, because you're putting it on, you're scrubbing it in, and you're rinsing it off. I don't believe the AHA has any time to actually make a difference on your skin. That's just my personal belief. I think it's actually the act of scrubbing the skin regularly. So that's my thought process. And then when I'm not using that, or when I am using that too, because that's a scrub, I don't consider that a cleanser. You still need to cleanse your body. I use these 2 items. So the soap I've been using recently, the body wash or shower gel as it says, is from Shikai, I think is how you say it. And this is the moisturizing shower gel in gardenia. It says it's rich in aloe and oatmeal to soothe dry skin. I saw another YouTuber mention this. It was Christine Kopsteff, I believe. She had a different scent, but this is the one that I found online and went with, the gardenia scent. And this is just a different kind of body wash. Like, it cleanses, but it just feels different. I don't know how to explain it, but I've really been enjoying it. And then I use that one, this little scrubby doodle, and it's got holes on the back, so you just slide your hand in. And it's just like rubber silicone. It is not aggressive, so it's just giving the softest, lightest exfoliation, since you don't want to go crazy, since I'm using this every other day. And I just use that to wash my whole body. Yeah, I will link to everything I'm mentioning down below, by the way, just so it's easier to find, because I love this thing, and it was such a like random thing. I don't even know how I came across that on Amazon, but I feel like that is a really good combo for cleaning and exfoliating the body. And then the second step after exfoliating / cleansing would obviously be moisturizing, because you want to moisturize your body after you take a shower, especially if you've just exfoliated off a whole bunch of dead skin cells. So I have been using 2 different moisturizing techniques right now, or moisturizers, just depending on where I happen to apply my lotion. Sometimes I apply it in my bedroom, and sometimes I apply it in the bathroom right after I shower. So if I'm in my bedroom right now, what I'm using is a newer product I just got. This is from Angela Naturals, and this is the Kukui Cocoa or Kukui Cacao, what a tongue twister, body butter from Angela Naturals. So this is a newer product. I think this came in my Petite Vour box. Not super picky about the lotion I use. Come on, focus. There we go. But I will say, I've only used this a couple of times, but I really like this one in particular. And then the other one I'm using right now, this is old. This is very old, and I've been working to try and use it up. And I probably won't repurchase it, just because this is not a brand I typically go to. I don't know why I bought it in the first place a million years ago, but I'm trying to use up from Cetaphil, the moisturizing lotion for all skin types. Yeah, old ass packaging and everything. And so, since I'm in the bathroom when I'm using this and I have access to all my various skincare, I usually add what I like to call boosters or extras to that from my facial skincare selection. So I brought all the ones that I occasionally add to my moisturizer to show you guys, and it's a lot. So if I feel like my skin's super dry, I'll add this one. This is from Akar Skin. It's the clarifying face oil. This is from Petite Vour. This is just a sample I received a while back from that box. There we go. I'm not wild about the Akar things, so I don't mind using them in the body lotion. That being said, I do like their face mist, but the oils, I'm just not big one. Now this I've only used once or twice. This is from Youth to the People, the Makai and Asahi Prickly Pear Goji Super Berry Hydrate and Glow. So this is also more of just I want to add moisture, like more pertinent moisture to the body lotion thing. And since I'm not wild about the Akar one, I'm going to use that up before I start adding that one. Now, this is from Biosense. It's the Squalane and Vitamin C Rose Oil. And I've added that in a couple times, and that seems to be lovely. And then from The Ordinary, this is the Marine Hyaluronics. And moving forward, as I go through skincare, I probably would buy more from these more affordable brands to put specifically just into my body lotion. Then from Paula's Choice, I've been adding the niacinamide 10% booster. It also has B3 and B5. Also from Paula's Choice, I've been adding the C15 Super Booster. Try to do that at night, since vitamin C can be very sun reactive. If I shower at night, I use that. And then this is a newer one I haven't actually put into. Is this focusing on me at all? This is a newer one from my recent Kinder Beauty box, and I haven't put this in my lotion yet, but I do plan on it. The intent of this product was to rub it on your face and neck at nighttime in order to boost sleep, because there's a lot of fragrant, relaxing oils like lavender and orange, but because it has lavender and orange, I don't want it on my face. So I'm gonna add this to my moisturizer, probably if I shower at nighttime, just because those do sound like really nice, lovely, relaxing evening scents. And I know that seems like a lot of products, right? But I just use a different one every day. I have them. I might as well mix it up. My body has probably never gotten large concentrations of any of these types of things, and I don't notice an irritation from any of them. So I figure giving my body a diverse selection of active ingredients, whether it be the vitamin C, the niacinamide, the hyaluronic acid, the squalene. So that's what I've been doing, and I have found that most recently my arms, which are my biggest issue with the KP, have been significantly clearer with fewer active breakouts and bumps. So I don't know exactly which one of these things is doing the miracle, but one of them is working. Maybe it's all of them in conjunction. That's what I've been doing. And since we are on the topic, I also wanted to talk KP and confidence, because I personally have never allowed my bumpy arms to stop me from wearing something or going out. It's not something that I place any value on with me as a human. And if I want to wear a tank top or a strapless item, I'm doing it. You don't like the bumps on my arm? I don't care. So I really think that's something to keep in mind here. It's on our bodies, it just happens naturally, and some people have it, some people don't. Who cares? I have had these bumps on my arms basically since I was a child, and it doesn't matter. It's not gonna hurt anybody to see bumps on your arms. It's not gonna hurt you to have them shown to the world. So I just want to put it out there that even though, yes, we feel nice getting the bumps off of our arms and making our arms smoother, for me personally, it is a matter of me being a popaholic, and if there's a bump, I want to poke at it. And that's why I've got all these red spots on my arms from leftover residual scarring from popping all of them, which is my problem. That's why I personally like to try and reduce my KP. Maybe you just have a confidence issue with it and you want to reduce it. There's nothing wrong with that, but at the same time, you should never let that stop you from doing what you want, wearing what you want, and enjoying life. I have met a lot of people that use various physical attributes, whether it be KP or I don't know, just something else, to stop them from living and enjoying their life. It's almost like a shield to hide behind, but you should never do that. I just wanted to throw that in there as a disclaimer. Live your life. So if you enjoyed this video, now that I've rambled on about loving yourself, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Remember to check out Amandaphenomenon.com for weekly blog posts, and all of my other social media is linked down below if you'd like to follow along, and I will talk to you all later.